Hey, what are you guys doing? Edson, what are you doing? The blanket? Yeah, we're gonna put medicine there. Your mosquito bite. Are you playing in Liam's crib? Eden. Eden. Yeah, lollipop. Careful, don't fall. Come sit. And then can you sit down? Okay, I'm going to take you out. Okay. Oh, big hug. Big hug. Hey, Liami. Hey, Liami. Okay, bye-bye. See you later.